Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to create custom carousel image slider as a responsive design and how to change controller via stop and play button in LWC component. So friends, in this lesson, we will be create carousel image slider as a stop and play button dynamically controller in LWC component. So follow this step to achieve this scenario. You need to follow three type of steps to achieve this scenario. Step number one, step number two, and step number three. So friends, in the step number one, first we need to create a lightning app. Here you can see I created lightning app. The name of lightning app is LWC app. Then we move on to the step number two. In the step number two, click on the gear icon. Then you will be get edit page. Once click on the edit page, you will be move on the step number three. So in the step number three, we will be create my LWC component and call LWC component to the lightning app. So friends, in the lightning app, here I created carousel image slider. So this slider will be automatically move left and right, and there is a stop and play button. So once click on this button, it will be stop. Once again I click on this button, it will be rotate. So there is a button stop and play to carousel image slider. There is also carousel image button. So once I click on the circle button, the carousel image will be slide. So based on the circle button, the carousel image slider will be slide left and right. And friends, this carousel image slider will be automatically move left and right. And if you want to stop the carousel slider image, you click here, and if you click it once again, it will be automatically slide. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn about how to create carousel image slider in LWC component, and this carousel image slider will be controlled through the custom button that is a stop and play. So now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will see how to create a carousel image slider in LWC component. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. I open my LWC component into the Lightning Studio. So this is a Lightning Studio where I open my LWC component. This is my component. This is a component JavaScript, and this is a component meta XML file. So friends, in the LWC component, first I create a Lightning card. Inside the Lightning card, I create a div. Then I create a S3. So in the S3, I am passing a title of the page. Here you can see I am passing the title of the page is carousel image slider in Lightning Web component. So after S3, I creating a div. Inside the div, I creating another one div. So friends, here you can see I am applying Lightning Cruiser. So Lightning Cruiser, it is an element that is provided by the Salesforce. So based on the Lightning Cruiser tag element, we will be create a slider image in LWC component. So this is a parent tag. Inside the parent tag of Lightning Cruiser, I am creating Lightning Cruiser image. So friends, here you can see in this is a parent tag element and this is a child tag element. So if you creating a Cruiser slider image in LWC component, you need to apply lightning carousel tag element. Inside the lightning carousel tag element, you need to create a lightning carousel image. So friends, in this lightning carousel slider image, I will be apply different type of images. So here you can see I created a different lightning carousel images. Inside the lightning carousel image element, I am passing some attribute property like SRC, header, description, alternative text, and HREF. So friends, each and every Lightning Cruiser image slider we pass different type of attributes property. In the SRC, I am passing the image name. In the header, I am passing the title of the image. This is a description. If you want to write a description about the images, you pass the image description here. Alternative text, that means a slider, carousel image text, and HREF. So friends, if you want to redirect the external page after click the image slider, here we need to pass URL. So you can see here I am passing a HREF attribute property. And inside the href attribute property, I am passing a URL. So once I click on the image, cross the slider image, this URL will be navigate to the external web page. So friends, if you want to create a carousel image slider in LWC component, keep in mind, first you need to apply lightning carousel. This is a parent tag. Inside the lightning carousel, we need to apply different type of the lightning carousel image. So each and every carousel image, we will pass different image. So this is the first image for the lightning carousel image. Here you can see this is a image name, LWC component library.jpg. This is a image name. After that, I created another one lightning carousel images. This carousel image for the component library. This is another one carousel image that is a LWC if and else condition. So this is the name of the JPG. And here I am passing three type of images to display the carousel image in LWC component. Each and every carousel image SRC are different, header are different, description are different, and HRF are different. So each and every carousel image I want to redirect to external web page, to different external web page. So here I am passing different HRF link. So friends, first I need to pass Lightning Cruiser. Inside Lightning Cruiser, I need to pass Lightning Cruiser image. Here I am passing different type of Lightning Cruiser image, and each and every Lightning Cruiser image has different type of attribute property. Each and every Cruiser image has SRCS, header, description, alternative text, and HREF. So friends, if you want to create Lightning Cruiser slider image in LWC component, you must follow the structure of the element tag in the LWC component. Now let me move on the JavaScript file. So friends, in the JavaScript file, I do not create any kind of function. So friends, if you using the Lightning cross slider image, it will be created automatically the slider left and right and autoplay. This is a standard behavior of the LWC component. If you using the Lightning cross slider image and inside the Lightning crosser element tag, I am passing the Lightning crosser image. So if you creating both of the element in the LWC component, it will be automatically convert image character slider in LWC. So do not need create any kind of function if you creating a browser image slider in LWC component in JavaScript file. And this is a meta XML file. So friends, in the meta XML file, I am using targets and targets. So in the target, I apply app page, record page, home page. So friends, this LWC component only visible on the app page, record page, and home page. So friends, now let me move on the Salesforce or where we will be call my LWC component. Friends, this is my Salesforce credential or first let me go on the gear icon and edit the page. Once edit the page, here I will be call my LWC component. So in the search box, I will be search my LWC component. So let me search my component name is LWC Carousel Slider. So let me search here LWC Carousel Slider. So friend, here I am searching LWC Carousel Slider. This is my component LWC Carousel Slider. So simply select and drag and drop here. Then save and go back. So friends, here you can see my carousel slider display in the LWC component, and here you can see it is a automatically slider left and right. So if you're not touching any of the slider, it will be automatically move. And here you can see this is a circle button. Once click on the circle button, it will be slider on the click button on the circle. And in the left side bar, there is a pause and play button. Once I click on this button, it will be stop. This is a play. Once click on the button, it will be a stop. If you want to play, click here. So, so friends, in the left side bar, you can see there is a stop and play button. This is a stop on play button. So we can stop and play the browser started image on this button click. So once click on the button, it will be changed. Once click on the button, it will be pause and play. So based on this button, we will be stop and play the cross slider image in LWC component. And we will be also slider from here. Once click on the circle icon, it will be move left and right. So friends, in this lesson, we have learned about how to create cross image slider in LWC component. Friends, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be send you bonus gift as two ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the sales force. First ebook you are Master of Apex Trigger and second ebook you are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the Apex Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the Apex Trigger, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the sales force. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.